My name is Sandeep. I am going to answer the Node.js interview questions. What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Well, Node.js is an open-source server-side JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to build and run server-side applications using JavaScript. The key characters of Node.js and difference from other server-side of technologies like Apache or PHP are there are six characteristics: asynchronous programming, single language ecosystem, lightweight, package ecosystem, and real-time capabilities. The second question is, what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function. So it plays a very crucial role in managing non-blocking code executions and ensuring that the program does not wait for long running tasks to complete before moving on to other tasks. Why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Because they are non-blocking execution, as I said before, event handling and error handling. Coming to the third question, what is the purpose of the package.json file in the Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The package.json file is used to manage project dependencies like the packages which are installed to the project, including both runtime and development dependencies. Version management, it manages the versions and specifies it. And the under key property is metadata. It contains the metadata about the project, including the project's name, description, order, and other information like license, etc. Coming to the fourth question, explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require is a traditional way to import modules in Node.js, while import is a part of a module syntax, ESX module syntax. Require is working with existing Node.js packages, but when working with ESX modules, use import, especially in browser-based applications. Require is a dynamically loaded, whether import where import allows for static analysis and the require is dynamic, and this is the difference. And require is only used when it is working with existing Node.js packages, where import works with ESX modules and modern JavaScript development. These are the differences between require and import and why we use over one another. Fifth question, what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an examples of how you would use middleware in the Express application? In Express.js, middleware functions are functions that have access to the request and response objects in the request response cycle. Examples of using middleware is logger middleware, logger middleware. You can create a custom middleware function to log incoming requests. It might look like, and the other middleware which is used in Express application is error handling middleware and the third party middleware. Middleware in Express helps modularize and organize code, making it easier to manage request processing, error handling. Error handling middleware is used to handle the errors, and this is the example of the middleware which is used in the Express application. For example, the for middleware is error handling middleware. It can handle and process the errors in the JavaScript. Sixth question is what is a RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API is an is also known as a representational state transfer API, which is short form of which is short form as RESTful API. Is a set of architectural principles for designing networked applications. To create a RESTful API with Node.js and Express.js, first we need to set up a Node.js project and install the Express.js framework, which can be done by npm node package manager, and define the different routes for the project as your wish. And by this we can create a RESTful API. RESTful APIs are used by are also created by Node.js and Express.js along with some main HTTP methods. And the main uh, advantage of RESTful API is it is simple and easy to understand. The HTTP methods are get, post, put, delete. These are the four HTTP methods in the RESTful API. And coming to the seventh question, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager npm and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? npm is a package manager for Node.js and JavaScript. npm serves several key purposes like dependency management, package distribution, version control. Package, coming to the package distribution, npm is a register of thousands of open source JavaScript packages, and it also controls the version controls of the given installed packages of JavaScript and Node.js. We can use npm to manage dependencies by update, remove using commands like npm update, npm uninstall, npm, and to install we can use npm install or npm I, which is a short form of install. These are the methods to manage the dependencies in the Node.js project. And coming to the last question, why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? By hashing passwords, it gives more privacy to the users. If in case the database which stores the password is hacked, then then also the hacker does not know any password of the user, so it is more safer for users' privacy and security. Yeah, these are the answers for the 8 interview questions. Thank you.